How to insert chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily insert chart on MS PowerPoint. So let's dive right in. Open up your PowerPoint and then go to insert option on the ribbon bar and then tap on chart, and then here you'll find various types of chart that you can choose from. Choose the one that you want and hit OK, and you can see Excel pop-up will come up, and you can just put in whatever you want to here and it will change in the chart as well. So I want the number of male and female, so I'll put uh, the number of people. I'll add the number, and then I'll put in the age range, and I can delete the unnecessary categories that I do not want. So if I don't want this series, I can remove this as well, or you can just put in the information that you want to, and the charts will keep changing like this. You can even change the color according to your wish, and uh, you can place the chart any way that you like on the slide. So like this. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.